Hi everyone, this is Shweta and welcome to my channel Coffee Curves. On this channel I do a lot of design, decor and DIY related videos, and in today's video I have 6 easy and beautiful DIYs for this Diwali. All the DIYs today are made from waste materials, but you won't believe how beautiful all of them turned out to be. So make sure to watch the entire video and not miss any of the ideas. Now before we start this video, I have a small request and you all know what that is. If you like this video, hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section as to which DIY you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Coffee Curves. And if you have already subscribed to our channel, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Now without any further ado, let's start with the video. For the first DIY, you will need a circular cardboard or a plastic box cut into about 6 to 7 pieces. Start by painting them inside and on the outer circular part. You can go for any color combination that you like. I chose red, yellow and blue. You can also wrap it up with jute or yarn, and this is how it will look. It looks nice with an added texture to it, but it also takes a long time to do it. So painting would be an easier and faster option. After painting, I am going to use some lace to decorate it. You can decorate it however you like. Initially, I thought of leaving some of the circles hollow itself, but after painting, I realized that it looks better with a colored backing. So I cut some extra circles from a thin cardboard and attached them to the back and completed them too. Once those are ready, take any wooden rod or beading or something similar in shape and start wrapping it with jute thread. Stick only the initial round or two with glue gun and then continue wrapping it. What you see is the fastest way to wrap it up. Just hold it with your thumb and keep rotating the rod with the other hand as you see here. And in the end, stick it with glue gun. You could even wrap it around any stick that you can find from any tree. Now arrange it in this pattern and measure and cut out the required length of jute thread. Make sure to cut the jute thread a little bit extra to wrap around the rod. With the help of a glue gun, stick the jute thread to the back of the circles. You also need to stick just a little bit on the top for the circle to stay straight. If you stick them only at the back, it is not going to remain straight when you hang them. Tie all of the circles to the wooden rod, and once all of them are attached, tie a string to the rod for it to hang. And that's it, our first DIY is ready. Add some artificial LED candles and ta-da! It looks absolutely beautiful, so pretty. Looks like one of those decor pieces from a handicraft store. This was another option that I tried out, where you can place the circles next to each other, either horizontally or vertically. You can decide to either make it like this or like the hanging option that I just showed. For my next DIY, I'm using these yogurt cups. If you don't have these collected, you could also use disposable paper or plastic cups. So first we are going to wrap this cup in yarn or jute thread. Start by applying only one line of glue at one end and stick the first round of yarn. And then simply keep rotating the cup just like we did in the previous DIY where we wrapped the rod with jute. If you don't want to wrap them in jute or yarn, you could also paint and decorate them, and that will also look very pretty. Now since my cups are a bit curved at one end, it was tricky to wrap the yarn neatly using glue gun. So I used regular glue over here. Now keep the cup on the table and slowly keep turning the cup and wrap the yarn around the cup. Keep adjusting and pushing the yarn down and continue wrapping it around. Use a glue gun again for the last round. To wrap with jute, follow the exact same process except for the last part where I could use glue gun to stick the jute thread neatly around the cup. Next, cut out these extra edges that is there around the cup. Now we are going to cut some slits in a plus sign for the lights to pass through. Now take a string light and start fixing the cups that we made to this. So I placed my yarn cups and the jute cups alternatively, and I did also leave one light empty in between the cups. I do have another idea for you if you don't want to make the cups. You can also use some gift tissue papers, cut out some circles, make a hole in the center and fix those onto the lights. You can leave the circle edges plain or cut it a little bit wavy to get a better look. And that's how you can give your string lights a makeover for Diwali. For our next DIY decor piece, you will need a couple of lids or caps from waste plastic boxes. Next, you will need a printed paper of your choice. Here I am using a colorful mandala design paper. I will plan and place the box lids onto the area of paper that I like and mark the circles out. I am placing them in between 2 to 3 circles, so that way I have an interesting pattern and more than one color per lid. Cut out all the circles, and after all the circles are ready, I will cover the side surface of the lids with jute thread. Stick only the first round with glue gun, wrap the rest of the lid and glue it again at the last round. I did the same with all of the lids. Next, stick all the circles on their lids with glue. Place them in the pattern that you like and then stick them together with glue gun. I also added some beads to decorate and add a little depth to it. And that's it. Our third DIY decor piece is ready. I have used 2 different sizes and depth of lids to give it a nice variation. This decor piece will not only add to your Diwali decoration, but it can also be used even otherwise to decorate any wall. You can vary the sizes and create various patterns to create an interesting wall decor. For this DIY, we are going to make a tea light candle holder with pista shells. Take a cardboard cut into a circle and mark a circle of the size of a tea light candle or the size of a small bangle, as I will be using a bangle to decorate it. Start by sticking the pista shells with a glue gun. You can stick them one by one, but that is going to take a longer time. So it is better to put some glue gun along the marked circle and then stick the pista shells. Continue doing this for about 5 layers. And this is how it looks once it's ready. It looks really nice as it is, or you could even spray paint it in gold color. If you tie a piece of thread at the back, you can even use it as a wall decor piece. And yeah, that's it. Our tea light candle holders are ready. For this DIY, you need a glass, a plastic container, something like the ones that you get from a restaurant, and a gift tissue paper. Start by applying Mod Podge to the container. If you do not have Mod Podge, you can also use a mixture of Fevicol and water. And then stick the gift tissue paper to the container. Smooth it out with your hands and try to have as many less wrinkles as possible. Cover the whole container like this, part by part. Then apply a coat of Mod Podge all over the paper again on top. This will seal and protect the paper and give a nice shine to it. Cut out a circle and cover the top surface as well. And the lampshade is ready now. Add string lights inside the glass and cover with lampshade. And a cute little quick lamp is ready. Now our last idea is a very simple and really easy idea that you can do to highlight some of the areas. You can decorate using some of your jewelry like bangles, anklets, earrings, necklace, just anything that you have and are not wearing, of course. It adds a nice touch of color and shine, looks really pretty and is ready in no time. So those were some of the ideas that you can try for this Diwali to decorate your home without really buying anything and recycling waste materials to make such beautiful and elegant decor. If you like these ideas, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And if you make any of these DIYs, please share a picture and tag me on Instagram and Facebook. Coming up really soon is my living room makeover for Diwali. So guys, please subscribe and click the little bell icon to not miss any of my videos. Have a happy and safe Diwali. Bye bye.